Error code 1R in a Keurig machine indicates a software malfunction, which is typically signaled when the coffee maker is plugged in and requires a reset. Unlike other issues, cleaning and unclogging the machine will not resolve this error. The common cause of this error is a glitch in the machine's software. To fix the error, resetting the Keurig is the best solution. This can be done by unplugging the coffee maker from the wall outlet, removing any cake cup inside, and plugging the machine back in. Next, open the cake cup holder lid, close it, and place a cup under the outlet. Press the power button and wait a few seconds. The machine should start dispensing water. If this doesn't happen, repeat the process. After resetting, the error should clear, and the machine should be operational. However, if the error persists, it may be necessary to contact a technician to troubleshoot and repair the machine.